Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering everything: the original video, the Anilab subtitle file, and any related project files. Keep them together so timestamps match. Once done, make a backup copy of the subtitle file and the video. Don't skip this. Next, open EJSub or Subtitle Edit and ensure the file encoding is UTF-8 and frame rate matches the video. This prevents timing drift. You'll begin correcting timing and style immediately, not later. So set your workspace and load both files now. You'll now correct the middle: timing, formatting, and readability. First, align the subtitle file FPS to the video FPS and use the audio waveform to nudge sync. Small shifts prevent popping lines. Then clean up style tags, run targeted search/replace for Anilab-specific overrides, standardize font, size, and margins so lines don't overflow. Split long lines and ensure no more than 42 to 45 characters per line. This preserves readability and prevents subtitle overlap during fast dialogue. You finish by exporting and verifying playback. Export the cleaned file as UTF-8, AS or SRT depending on player compatibility. Include embedded styles if needed. Then test in VLC, MPV, and the intended streaming client to confirm sync, styles, and line breaks. If you spot drift or misalignment, reopen the project and apply small global time shifts or correct individual events. This targeted fix resolves most leftover issues. Troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.